Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 28, 2025, and we're diving into Crane's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Crane's latest financial performance.
Crane has just released its Q3 2025 earnings report. Let's get into the details. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Crane reported net sales of $589.2 million for the third quarter, which is a 7.5% increase from last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by a 5.6% increase in core sales, along with contributions from acquisitions and favorable foreign exchange rates. The aerospace and electronics segment, in particular, showed strong performance with a 13% increase in net sales.
And how about profitability?
Crane's adjusted EPS came in at $1.64, which is a 27% increase from the previous year. The operating profit margin also improved to 20.7%, reflecting strong net pricing and productivity gains.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, can you break down the performance of Crane's segments?
Absolutely. The aerospace and electronics segment saw a 13% increase in sales, driven by a 12.8% growth in core sales. The process flow technology segment also performed well, with sales up by 3.2%. Additionally, Crane's order backlog grew to $1,437.1 million, providing strong visibility into future revenue.
Crane is also making strategic moves with acquisitions. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, Crane is progressing with its acquisition of Precision Sensors and Instrumentation, which is expected to close by the end of the year. This acquisition is part of Crane's strategy to enhance its capabilities and expand its market presence.
Financial position and future outlook. Let's talk about Crane's financial position. How does it look?
Crane is in a strong financial position with a cash balance of $388.2 million and no debt outstanding. This provides them with significant financial flexibility for future investments and acquisitions.
And what about their outlook for the rest of the year?
Crane has raised and narrowed its full-year adjusted EPS guidance to a range of $5.75 to $5.95, reflecting a 20% growth at the midpoint. They also declared a regular quarterly dividend of 23 cents per share, indicating confidence in their cash flow generation.
EPS forecast and market reaction. John, analysts were forecasting an EPS of $1.46 for Crane. How did the actual results compare?
Crane exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $1.64, beating the forecast by 18. This significant beat highlights Crane's strong operational performance and effective cost management.
How has the market reacted to these results?
The market has reacted positively, with Crane stock likely to see an uptick as investors digest the better-than-expected earnings and the raised guidance for the full year.
Key takeaways. In summary, Crane has delivered a strong third quarter with impressive growth in both sales and earnings. Their strategic initiatives and robust financial position set a positive tone for the future. John, any final thoughts?
Crane's performance this quarter is commendable, and their strategic focus on acquisitions and operational efficiency bodes well for sustained growth. Investors should keep an eye on their progress with the PSI acquisition and the continued strength in their core segments.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Crane's performance in the comments below.